twaberire igase Getembe kuri mwaka 2018 mogusi onde bwense obwate mechando wao unabona mochando bwegetekyo mogongo gugwatia amagora kobimba mochando bwa arthritis manyinga waka igoro mochando bwe sukari amona morira manga arese mebere yeito oitana ni nyagetali chinyinge nendo taranyoro bobwenia ne sengenjo ataratarire nyagetali to yanuga pese erinda nyoro bobwenia obwega boito aiga nuga pese ntori kobara ntori kobete sindani ntori kwa Mario Gandon si yogo kobekera kemika somubere etogo koa obobwenia boito bwekerero obwo gotumeka chi machine na kobwa mono chindetere chiana no diamond tomenium
nilitaliana igongoro kumera ni kwambuka one gento na rote kone igona nyore to buruire mwaka 2022 oburuire obuna akire korinya getali na irunya getali paka bwasinyire pono ngoteba ngonde bwensi ura doge ngana no buruire buno bobwa mauga boko bimbyo mubiro yo gwati wotali korara era tigaike gaje senya getali anu ga besti elinde amokonje munanji bwetenga yankonyire tinale ko nyara konchole bigoti na gwe kumba lakini bono ko nyara konchole bigoti nyibwetenga bono ngo na gwende ngo gwe nande bono
Samarieta ongoro kwa Estanyarik ayande ngoro ku madam director korwa se enyagitali yanuga besti nogo tonyora asama gacho Ourutawas second floor Pirongo yakabere ke gusi twakwariganirie togokonye omobero obe buya amanyinga atare buya omobero ore buya noro konyara kurigia enibo nuga best nige gotoka asama gacho Ourutawas ye building yege sinyaine Mteira igotore Kenya Women igoro Pirongo yakabere egento ndakikishere omogusi yo minto nuga besi nero yokere aso mochio bosongo timo ngaineka emekora ne menge yachire se chinambe chinaba obwenete gutwakira tuba oboshauri boisaine motonyore tubakonye twakonyira abange
asamange nabuko bakirisi gwetira chinamba chiabo 0700260518 gose 0784955717 gose 0705860053 nuga best gotanga mbuya kubwa kogwenia
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbare njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege twatire mama ine twatire
eduka yobomo ya Ouru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyure company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi menseyiga ya Kenya Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isya ebintu biriya bikomanya seyeka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boyiko chire chechi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kerage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo kwa imeye nyumba isiko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na buigo chiriya chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire korwase chire cheri guririke iriya gatigati wekarigori iriya bantabati buigo imeya Ouru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wekabunuraganye bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwekirano tutarire rero eribwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Ouru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Ouru Complex imeyumuchuri gobusongo eyueranga ne duka ya Safaricom Mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyure angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakiresi ngwetera ase chinamba chabo 0111161500 Ouru Superstores the people's choice guaranteed lowest prices karibu nyumbani
amone gisimiti amona mabaki Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere uzito somya bamura baje kuya
kuria rero ria Jumanne tukurigiriria asinsemo gusitugukwanira amangana yetisemi nigo ngukumanyanga aigas studio ninde ena o mwalimu timayitinga ekovinda kufikire the best teacher in East Africa asemangana karibu sana ase studio Mr. Yes
Samuel Yetangor ku Samuel Itieka I'm a teacher of Menenya High School Menenya Ereborabu Nyamira Rora Likijauri Nongo na korokeralie Gesongo in my department Sepano yambegeta jikobi chinyinge but yalero nde mwalimu
yalero no mwalimu lakini jikobi chinyinge ga as much as chikobwaterana no gokonya gusina mangana ayokwana no bosemya una chire
omwalimu ali omorokeralia
yes
and korokeralie binte binge part of the things I've done the most recent one nokobekirwe kobi the best teacher in East Africa is mangana climate change. I've been there. I've really been focusing because vana mangana SDGs the goals to sustainable so that climate change as part of the goal number 13 we've been there, we've done it, and we are proudly saying we are moving forward with that. Even
asamangana climate change.
Yes.
Mwalimu Mr. Samuel nekero tuguchaka ose asemya kerenga kwa vile ase professional
ana jagitega si 2013 yo narabelje semya keyo arazomiri mpaka abandi bachire university abandi now they are employed in the government.
Yes.
I'm proudly saying I've seen my products. And some of them have even come calling, thanking me for the work I've done. So I'm a proud teacher this morning because of the things we've done with the other members. Yes.
Egasi ega yo mwalimu na vekorokana nga asama tukaya na bange bayingire which as a professional.
Obwalimu nobuya.
Yes.
Because mwalimu taliko kwa. Mwalimu kera amajani abe nganakwa agotyo kali musurigia. Once a teacher, you always a teacher, you leave a legacy that nobody can be able to delete from the hearts of these children. Iko mwalimu ndebwenzi no montomana. Actually want to say korunsa aligotira from the homes, our mothers. Want to applaud my mother even though she died. I want to say that was the best teacher I ever had. From there, we've had mentors up to the level now. We're having teachers who are ahead of us. I want to do a special mention of my principal who has given us this platform to excel. And Mr. Abuga Sole, I know Mosacha Kigim, you're a man. Because of your work in Menenya High School, we are shining. We are proudly saying we are moving forward. Konya bana baito tsemi barole motu. Yeah.
Ekiro muntago chaka kosoa si akobo morokia. Umete kiro kenderi muntago chaka bunane practice. Nchereki omuntu bono bali bagokina kose bali batagiteko bali muchinga kiechika bagendete kwegia. Nakio omuntu akoba a successful teacher.
Kale obwalimu obwali korokana ngambo bwati value. And let me tell you, una chigrade chia sukiwa, you have to work hard from your high school level so that you become a person okoende college. Toko nyora grade of your gerote ngana ino mwalimu deteko. Obwalimu abere so lucrative, abere very expensive. We are saying that because na para umbota keire porro kanebia. So if you want to be a teacher, ko ikoso me kwanza. Ko tuale grades chigo koire college college galia obwenere ojiska ojosomia mangana values because that is majorly what we teach. Abana banyole chisemie chinga kiba kumenya abantu akiba solve emechandere society ito and so on. Yeah.
Na kirokende abantu nguchi bari batwara perceptions echindo kone romondanga abalimu yani bakoranga abarimu n'abantu bakawaida nga no bari tu
mwalimu tali muntu kawaida. Let me tell you, onyo muntu kale wente kusikwa Kenya ye, we've even been fighting so that our services be recognized properly, because you can't be a teacher chibe sawa serikali kwaka na njigo isa na mwalimu. In fact omuntu osomete mpaka chi professor banyagitali nayo murage no met honestly
muntu ndibwezi
kero muntu weka yes ubone profession yine ya maana sana. Yes
nkoro iwa abantu batanga ari umwarimu bwe nasari, lakini uchikurigere umwarimu uyu bwe nasari atayo umwarimu uyu olo primary umwarimu uyu iga ubona tukabwate amangana CBC abalimu ba junior secondary.
Yes,
without that teacher omuntu tawe kandozi ningi yo chikyaba unique, lakini nana bokonyoro ngo mwarimu uri osema da muri kwa manyete kurukale batukale wikira boniga bado ne roro okonyanga na batarite gasia ingi yo chikyaba
abalimu actually egento ke koban gelina every work you do kerali tuko you face new clients.
Yes,
omuntu oyo nero oli to have experience. The more you are in the profession, the more you have experience. That's why we keep saying, abalimu ababale bansali nabaruba we enough resources bakonyera abana, because a foundation yelia mwana ko kale nsali ere ya maana ko bwa eyago jakonyora igora. It's like building a house. You can't do a house ocheko yebekera roof gora utagajeti a ground. So it is important always we look at the foundation. And on this I'm calling the county governments, especially Kisii and Nyamira na Basongo. Mogusino Montomo ngain. I'm requesting Simba Arati and Nyaribo ne the right resources to the young generation. That means even ndagira abana balimba bwenete koligere gwa mono bale nduko bwa bale gora mono, because the foundation nare ya maana so bwa. Yes,
na nekero koligere ngomo baro omone ne boniga kose ekero koligere ase mangana profession. I think abarimu no barikire obumu barori ngomono.
Yes,
usatiga bono na kiyo mwarimu aranyare kwesirora nyare ko ba unique in your profession. Singinjo ko bwinto buna ko win awards tari bonsi para win. Na kiyo mwarimu arabe unique.
Abalimu na bangetole. In fact we are
na kerase
mbaka no ene serikali eba ko nga tyranny of numbers eba jakwa nga tyranny of numbers. We have that number. Nande ngo janalengere linga mweko rosino president, we can do that.
Yes,
we can do that. But the rende linga to we tobote to abantu ba ngao ba karaki bara. But I want to say this: if you want to be a unique teacher, do things in a unique way. Every person has a right, and we keep celebrating small things, small wins. We don't teach abana masomo kanga grade. We teach them the values, the solving problem skills. On top of that, climate change, for example. Solve a problem. It is important we see on issues like those. Tunale kuaga chabana wa kereba rule krasime pa manyanga ekerosime geta motebwa matunda mabwate faida gete, you know, ekerobe gete chinjo ka segete, you know, that's purely like now today it call you jengera chinjo in the world. Ekerobe gete chinjo kichia obokenkyo bokonya ekere kwa mokire kwa vekire meteme kamoroje ngie gosal, you know, that's very important. You know, that happens only if you get to come out okole into in a unique way. You don't have to be in class, and again, don't wait to be told you are the best.
Yes,
believe in yourself, go for what you believe in, and correct us. Actually, I want to say I'm proud because of the teachers who are there. Like in my department, I want to mention, I'm led by ladies. Department. I want to mention them. Madam Medina Rasugu, Madam Sheba. Mr. Robert Mwambi, a young man obwate a skill then tokoleke and again the principal has given us that chance to sort our issues, to
Now
creatively
explore
think.
even doing
Yes.
yes.
In fact,
Uh-huh.
Menenanja are recognized in the world because we took 2 students to Dublin for Ireland to come up with a solution in STEM, a solution as a mechando ya yokorosi eliko bosaigo is unique. Took us to Ireland last year. You go innovations, you go out of your way, be creative. Don't rely on only teaching in class. Just wake up and believe in what you do. Yeah.
Umwalimu ekira gukwanira magana climate change ukonjorera kwirire ninki gusiri baga boniga barimu babwate ang'e barimu bonse ribaga babwate ase okoene kibona banyari kuraria magana yaiga yo gonjorera kwirire nakirire
SDGs,
Yes.
it is 17. SDG number 13 is climate change. And the world knows, ekero, all in education sector, you have every right to teach these SDGs in class.
Yes.
Nobody tells you stop because SDGs will solve amangana a climate change. Ekere CBC, for example, I'm very proud of CBC unless we just sort a few messages here and there. Messages in Giana Kobara. It's one of the best given chance to it can be able to help us among an environment, and you realize anything in environment will affect the green jobs tomorrow. If we don't focus on climate change right now, because it's a common problem in the world,
Yes.
mazingira kira chafukete akili ite chafukete we not even have families imoji komenya kera
Tindagira abantu bakoli
indagira electric cancer. We are no longer thinking about eating healthy. We are thinking kulia bintu binde chichiemo, which I am against myself. Topenda kuligereria kitopenda to solve such problems using education. And that's why a teacher is an integral part as a mangana climate change. You can't isolate your mwalimu kwa mangana climate change. Because you never can give this skill. It's going to make a to solve that problem. Yeah.
na tukurigire buna bono ase orugunguru agusi na bukurigire kwaranga arigireria hasarikire gukurigireria nonye amare makeire environment yani generally ibintu bitonchokanine ensira nere ngembe ya hasarikire boniga buna students bago nsege tukio guchikwa ba erinde banyare kwene kibunasi etotebe nonyase miaka angemeronge berere bosyo bade tukenga agusi netigarete koba gusieri abantu bamanyete kurukare gosense netigarete koba enseri yatonge twiri abantu bako twara nonya fresh air gutwara macha mayenda gerengia.
I said again, I'm proud of my school. And in every school climate change. I started long ago, but Menyanya has given me that platform through the principal who is very supportive. Last year, 2024, to Jagete Nursery, Yemete, to Kaina Nemete 20,400. That was phase 1 across Nyamira schools. You know, that is now encouraging people to plant trees. Of course, Angina Roche, our target first was to Rosie Megamu Roche, because Megamu will affect Tira much. If we continue with this practice, Megamu Rangina Roche will not have clean water tomorrow. So we've tried to push the young generation to understand, because they can easily understand than the mature elderly people like us.
Yes.
So to them, they are seeing sense. Once you tell them this, and you see so they know it is not correct. That makes sense. We've started thinking about avocado. We are now saying it is important to even think in agribusiness way, because avocado is grafted to Ajibwat initially. I'm happy to say that we are not doing grafted avocado. I'm one of the pioneers by grafted avocado. We have managed to plant several of them, and I'm proudly saying that I'm a chande wetan and amangana climate change we are trying to sort. And in a few years to come, I'm going to say that we are going to see results through our children. Bago chakobada mantuna ntutu abet. Yes.
Ena ki korogana nga kwa changamukirira mangana ega a science mono lakini rinde tuchiti kogenda sense moyo kusoma mirimo ya sciences.
Mitieka is a man of many hats unanateva. I'm a member of Green Army. I'm a member of PIMAC International. In fact, I'm now a deputy president of PIMAC International in charge of climate change. I'm a Mazingira champion. I was awarded in Nyamira Education Day. A award year governor was given last year.
Yes.
Someone was asking me, why are you so passionate? And think that's the question you equally
lakini tuchitiko somia mirimo
I
tuko
teach
na biology, geography.
I teach English. And the drama is part of the things we teach our children. Drama nerebwata mangana how to solve problems related to society.
Yes.
English, which I teach, she said to mjira mangana environment, mjira mangana ngakie bogambi bosale getangana. Akero bogambi bosale kire, we teach that. So it is not bigly on STEM subjects only that teach issues climate change. S teachers are for everyone. Whether you teach STEM subjects, whether you teach languages, but again, passion. Nimbo ya tobo manyiboke nyasangire ngona go tumia okora mwana climate change.
Na awate virenga notinete kiombe kiavasai.
Yes.
Ke gana nengi okora.
Internet kiombe ko Kenya Youth Organization. Elected, I was elected last year. Una nogelio. Across the 47 counties, Gokorande communication. Ikorunga Kenya Youth Organization. Kenya Youth Organization ikoligeria mangana obogambi. Na yobogambi obusarikirete, the advice they give to leaders, and we of course encourage young people to be included in the government posts. Like now we've been requesting the president to think of including the young people in leadership. In Tuntoliko Ruani Serekali, we always respect authority. Like now, that's why as a teacher I respect my principal. I can't fight my principal.
Yes.
He is above me. Any teacher who is above you, you respect them. So that at the end of the day, you learn from them. And I'm very proud I learn from them every day. Sometimes they learn from us. It's not that when you are senior, you can't learn from a junior. You can learn from them. But again, you listen to them more because they are more fattery and mattery. My deputy administration, sir, and my deputy academics, Mr. George, those are mature people. Even our DOSs, they are mature people who can, you listen to them.
Yes.
So Kenya Youth Organization basically is spread across Kenya. And I'm proudly saying I managed to communicate with them. I know the challenges the young people are going through. I've even managed to even go to their counties myself. Last year itself, I went to 23 counties. Yes.
Nekirogo sanga kirkende na bali mubande. Umete handling the young generation nguchere yaba konwake and mono go deal na basai. Nchira kigo sembo semi kibolibono okotwara gochesa abali mu kwa na nesegeto no nyochesa boibuli. Nchira baranyare ko interact na boigo ko handle abasai asinjiri talikoleta mabe.
Correct.
Yes.
Tianja kena Bible. Abana ba matuka ya mbange ba litwale gukina mayaga. Ababa nombale a bit different in the way ba korokana na ne style ba go dress. Na bintu balengera timbi bwe kene bitwale kolengera. Njoma tekingi ne tenginyo lete ukora to music kagara pagani ba chire. Waji go tiena so that you don't mess. But ababa na denga dadi mina ka hapa.
Nero ko welcome mo.
Nero ko bata mbaki remote. So Bible, wherever you are, listen attentively. Handle the adolescents with in the right way. Some of you shout to them at home. Your problems you've had with them. It doesn't work like that. These kids, once they go to class, tako nyara ko concentrate 100%. Ako nyaro nang ina chandikit or anere bono chandikit. So let's always handle our family matters because they are affecting children, in fact, back in class. Number 2, abaiboli abange, they don't even come to see what their learners are doing in school. To manyeti. Oja wadengo mwana ongo misbehave are style yende wa kuminga ki. Does that happen? Mwana onenje haya. Before you conclude ngo mwana tako mess. The challenges like of drug abuse is common in our schools. Otara concluding a mwana otaliko tumia drugs. Do a follow up. Tora janeke rundo mono. Again takia katatu. Serikali nja ruseti boko.
Yes.
Lakini hayo moiboli serikali teko ruseti ke boko. No. Why can't you use that ekeboko career in the rightful way? Even me, I want to say, onye ndiye serikali yanja yakeira ni yasinini
ekeboko
ni kiamana sana
lero mbali gukuno
tuliko bakuna bakaenda bakotevinga agiyetume haribu so mbuya baibali batumie ekeboko keria so that wano mwana wako je school ali setting aki at home disciplinero. So I must be disciplined in this school. To the teachers, I want to applaud all the teachers in this country, the work they are doing. It is a marvelous work. To the young tags, those who are coming to the profession, some of us tumekaka, kuna wengine wameingia, kuna wengine wataingia bado. Learn from the seniors. It is always good to see what the seniors are doing each time. Because these learners are not the same. The Gen Zs, yes. That's the kind of mentality we have even in class. Be friendly with them. That's what we do in Menena. We encourage dialogue. We talk. We ask them, like in the end, of course, you know what is right for them. So that you reach their mind. Teamwork is very important. Profession manyanga ki abantu mbari moko regas komo toko jote benga nchwana ni manye taking okora you can't do like that.
Yes.
We come era bande babwa topa mani moko regas yam
bakonyora abantu baguwati umo.
Yes, bakwati umo too because ntobwe kaini. And then learn to accommodate each other. Na bakonyora ngabwate challenge fulani no hena kabwate yai otabetio mongaini omanya kioko work in the workplace. You not survive. Lastly, very important. I want to request our leaders in each school to give, to think of mental health programs. They are very important because they help us. The teachers are human beings. They go through challenges at home. Such challenges are there. I request that they are given chance to express themselves, and alternatively, Irende tuara kiriengia.
Yes.
Afya nzuri, ragira bujati yako ya tesa. Yes.
Na nekire tukukwarira gusikira gukwara mental health. Kira nyara kwene sariguro oya na mangana buna bono life skills counseling ase chi school. Both kuchase umwalimu na ki egokonyo umwalimu na bwo na ki egokonyo students. Nonye uhakas ondebwensi okotoka ase school.
Yes. Counseling is now a very serious program in each school. You know, counseling, you've killed the school. Counseling has been given that chance as a as I work when evidently biao kwanya romo ntoko kwanira. Some of us and my friends, some of them were products. School kale. Ntokwa rangali wagunwe boko lakini finally kwa wegutia sikete kwa kwere mangana. Okwere sukolia in a bit was counseling. But of late even they be a change. Because suicide has become a menace in this country.
Yes.
It is important that if a teacher has a problem, listen to them. He's a human being, maybe going through a challenge. Listen to them, give them the advice they deserve. Tobo mwango go act negatively. I always tell people, tobo mwango mono kejelio mondo tameti mechando kiakara agwetera.
Yes.
So counseling to the teachers is very important because ngogerere abali mbaira ne normal track okore gasi ya obia. Number 2 aso mwana counseling is very important. Sababu abanya mwana got the challenges back from home. And as a human being agarwa kwa na iru ngore ya turina bakogenda no bima bwa kawaida. So it is important as much as people ignore that.
Lakini rinde kiro kurikire chisukuru chinyingi counseling bako chibatwara gose services yokonyora bakwana na gucha students. What happens se okonyora nga abalimu nabo konyora umwalimu abatu muchando twarore abalimu abange bagoita konyora umwalimu nabo abatu muchando esukuru ne bwate office ya counseling. Lakini balimu barabumba bali konyora access office ngiyo chikabe kebe.
In my school,
yes,
we have a working counseling department led by Mr. Saplon Mungare, timu yae. Counseling abanga bako jegina baga ngono mwalimu na njino yo tubone ngane tiso.
Ngaki ku counsel mwalimu na abana tubone tukorige.
But you see, ona anje skuru yane, it is working for both teachers and the students. If I have a challenge, not necessarily to the department, I can confine my problem to a friend, teacher who is now close to me, a confidant, or direction what the 1 problem 2 3, and these are the people who will tell you. That's why I said seniority in workplace very important. That is important for a teacher.
Na sense boende abalimu niko bari timu ene kigima competition ase chinga kibune chigo mete konyora nonye na masakara konyora umuntu kucha konyora diru bari kwena nonye na TSC gose umuntu acha konyora gasi ya manyitengere no mwalimu bono nere mira magokora for life iko chiaba ko neki umuntu ari rwandira samotukaega
imechande ya bakenya corruption has taken over. We've even called, I can't stop to call TSC my employer to avoid dancing with the members of parliament. Onye wotagitem lirube a procedure ya TSC njibadendi in a very competitive way.
Ota manyito
God father ngaki njugo jango bwato ko bakoli gugas in the MBA in the past. But you realize asama tukaba no. In fact, in this government, you know, let's go as spade. This government, akoranga TSC ya jiga dance na serikali. Pone ko enda ya serikali ko jajujo maruba ya GMP. Onye toliko nyara ko kwara na MP bia na bora misiri ru. But we want to challenge them. Our members of parliament, we love you people. Agar to ba kiri jigura rende, wanang ko yelidi ruba kwa montonde ogara sengai. And anama ruve asabana ba qualified. And again, that's why choosing kwara TSC ya tebigunga kara ligereli consider abantu akoro kwa muntu kabelde miaka isiko ane kingotangana te miaka 5 shwali agiora ligondangana. So that does not make sense. We request Julius Yogamba eno murai eno montonga abana baito bayagwa maruve in the right manner. Anderende koli gorabu kwato sorolera gento gechieto bo maana mboli na monto mino karase tiago sorolera kendo na koragira because amabagali yako enano bora chi county chinde chiko kwa mange tutwa tugunjara anda bagusina bwa bantu abangaini basomete Kenya information yabo zibasomete kulkwe.
Yes, na nikiroko inki obya boko ba employed gose ko ba identified na serikali nga no mwalimu probio.
When you are employed by the government,
yes,
in terms permanent, number 1, you got a pension, like any other job. Number 2, there is job security, and then the Gagata trending go recognized easily because there are things a teacher likire ne serikali ara kole, or likire ne body attack kole. Like now, tingo imogia wana, mwalimu wa board, tako imogia wana soke na baro. He will not be held accountable. Buna agenda be held accountable. Kendi kebe rabana. In case I go out to them, they have no problem. I'm easily held accountable.
Yes.
Yes.
Na sese moyende kira tokorigereria umwalimu mete nkonyoro lenga ikirasi gete umanyete umwalimu gete kiragocha abana mbaroro na bwate abana bae usa mwana na rokonyoro umwalimu agwanchiriri ne kyo umwalimu akonyara go balance ikiagera umete na kongo ko handle student abantu tamanyiti konyora ngabande nguchanda bali kigima ne kyo te mago balance asa abana baiga kwa ne kinga services jiro kwena na ucha abana ba onde tayo gotikara mage oso kumia kole mara
In a class, we call that class management. Kende gyonzi ngetakire obongaini bwoko manage. Ekirasi esa abana bale 40, squeeze mpaka ngweka bana 50 in a class. You need to think. Oligeria abana aba in their abilities. Mbagweka ini by the way. Bana mbako bweka na pit no ene byara byoko bakuwa mbiko nyara kubweka.
yes
What we are saying is ekere kire class yeki ngoligere liole level ya abana bao. We have what we call an entry behavior. You have to make them feel they are part of this system. You can take a tangan you went to you must identify. Umwana no mungaini nabu etoyo gento gete. Talibindo beyond balenganite by the way. So make them first understand the importance of working hard. You can take a tangan.
yes
Ba manyanga oyo ga koreke oyongo korale. Bring them together in a group discussion everything and then them in this group. Oyo lengense gonna ragoimoka as a group way because I feel now kumbe nje na manyekani. Number 2, we have what we call remedial lessons. Remedial means remedy. Ndiro we gero mwana olio tabwa tete kwara somi mwaji kuikera na bono on individual level kama tebi ikigeko endaiga onyara kokara obugata. In a class where you feel like the gap is too big, you can do what we call benchmarking. Okwala class yeke kende si class kiri gorake because imbako nyara kobwekan so that they help each other to pull up. And again, like in my school, we have programs. We have programs where now we even call the parents to attend a manoyo, or they just set a target. Akiroji dokar, to a conya nebilengerel to aska a mod. You can't ignore one of the ole molirikanye. What all your A and Dongera call it, or your D and Dongera call it. That's why they are all of important in our society.
na sense mo yako curricular activities amangana buna achigo sorry metoko naranga over students imbaroro goselana sembaroro konyara vange na mangana ekirasi perform iko agende obuya bo umwalimu kora abana baigasa mangana buna yokwegia achigo sorry amangana drama gotera bintu binde bingi
Talent pays. Sports ni ndo kiaman. Ele noviri besere ngakaro si ekero kumnyaka wuke. Sometimes ngora ikandenge naki dale kumanya kumnyaka. Because orojo minyoke osempalin.
yes
Orozi some dollars. Oje kenyaga okonya abana bachandi for example. You realize these are some of the things the ministry ekero to jibe create the curriculum jibe ato muhimu kwae. Talent in drama. How many actors are paid well? Hollywood, mbalenga bagwa njibe sabuye. Mambo ya sports, we watch Shabana Tolebo Bega, we feel good when we watch them. That's talent. You can't ignore. Monto wako mupira talio yomana.
Bono libagario mwalimu ase uko nacha talent iga.
A teacher is around. For information, I teach drama. Sometimes I teach drama in a region. As spoken word. Awato mwana na leo ikimbaki region. Untu abwate core of us, one Mr. Ambaya in my school, wate core of us UK region. Madam Sheba abwate cultural dance. Wake cultural dance, lakini mwana kweke song.
yes
Akoleta matera ye keusiki ya nyech kweli. So a teacher can train. Kwa tole workshops, tuita na to train. In the games department led by Jacob, we have a program. The school, the principals allowed a program that abana bagenda baigere mepira. It is important. So a teacher is the coach at that level, and the skill they get, they impart them as abana funds. And finally, kare team ya buire na ekwabwa, you feel good. Yeah.
na asense mo ya relationship yao no mwanafunzi ngwa kwandaranga bako nyare kumanya abana abao nde kiyo ikere kirengo kire umeto mwalimu bako nyare ko limit oibe kirase gitinga boundaries inchiroro ikiagira ukona na no moro kiwa nande na bogo chiare to machana
Amachikonaro. We are regulated by the code of conduct ya TS. Anara marago agotora agito koregas. ekere obosani we class 11 ere bo week asinale butagen. That's why I keep saying no nyine kanisa pastor ambaye bako chaba ako sera chingondi. Even in this we have rogue teachers.
Yes.
Sometimes I understand the thing or no mwana.
Abange babutiru.
Those are the challenges teachers face. Mondo bako je profession oyebanga ebintu kiamoleta 1 2 3 wacha kulia lio mwana in a different way. But we are saying if you are the kind of teacher, please stigosa beruo konyu yara bana ba ayo ranyora ogenda no moro itomo. So it is important that we regulate the level to we can say egasi. But then as much as dole in that class work we go to arobo rafiki boli oku ample bako ikera mwana ya zibe brengere bia. Yes.
Na asense mo ya career guidance umeta abana abaiga konyoranga ekiro mwana gosa form 1 na ria kwanza ari koranga kiro kende ase mutukare busenchengane tikobaiga mbo enjira naro rire mireme yero umete ko primary na bo mwana goteba kende yonsi na barachi ko bakende yonsi lakini kire secondary school kwanza ari ko igoro bongo korengana na subjects chirio manyanga strength echa echire koina na obosemia igoro yogo chigochoro mwana osiri bagali omwalimu kwaneke nga oraire omwana oyo iga amanyeki arache gokora sobugima.
Every school like now mine a career master and a career mistress. Mr. Robert Mwambi is our career master in Menina High School. And ekero mwana achire ekero maitebuna whatever ekero mwana ale in lower elementary that understand ngiata gete kinire ngo chakali ko tuara interests. You can be able to see in that gete even from class ngo rolling but then they speak out. So then it is now the role of the career master and the teachers in general to give guidance. You need the following things. Soma sciences, chemical formulas, for example.
Yes.
You know, this is very important. So I make a song understand we go back one, we go get prescriptions, so it is important. So it is always important for a career master to have a program. We have a program even where we invite professors from Nairobi University. The board in Menina High School is very active on that through the principal. They invite the speakers, they come, they talk. In the near future, I want to be a teacher. The near future, I want to be an engineer. Like that. Finally, career campus. Yeah.
Na oboiga ebuno mwalimu na kiagota mago balance obugema bwabo baisiko na abo iskuru.
Kira muntu
So kwemeremo. Yes.
Muntu na bwa tobugema bwaye. And I'm living mine. I'm living mine. Nima de jinsa chiga sinchiro. Nima de jinsa chiabu onenchiro. You know, I have a family. I'm a family man. Tingo and then concentrate 24 hours. So it is always important that we report to duty. And I want to encourage people to do that. Report to duty as it is prescribed. Kendegasi, koregasi, abunebwenete, chinsa chioko and agotimokanjiro, timokabuya, have rest. Exercise. You forget you are so much into work, you forget yourself. That's why I said from the beginning, a teacher should feel good. Anya bwali mutu think karoko andegasi kwe unga nole stress tiesegasi you know thing. In Jafwan to Menyanya, I feel happy to be there. I don't regret being in Menyanya High School. I feel proud of my principal because a principal go janda to go to Aramare.
Kuroma tukamagika esi timanyanga menyanya wacha kirete mirimo yao.
No.
Kwara kolire school.
Yes.
Yes, what even tumbire kwa veri go korora vitare ngyo kugoke usekero kende kwa gerere kro kompe school eri ole boniga na school gete kwaranga etofauti ni raroro na kyo mwalimu aranyore environment erengia anamuro muno wano wa kwaniro botenene.
Actually I want to thank my principal. Mr. Book Samuel. He's a man. ekero romorai okorigereria abanto bao kero korentera bakogenda gochimotura kini kwararirie passenger nerete nini maego matengo tenene nabora asoke nekerore. It is always important as a leader kwamanya abantu bao akibali. I've been to schools. I can't regret saying that. I never started in Menyenya. I've been to other schools, but I've worked under very good principals. A principal in a school is the team leader. A team leader, you can expect problems. But our team leader ni mtu anaona agona maono. I call him he has the vision for that school. As I think in a few days we are going to see great works. I want to say this. Any school, it is nothing. It's about teamwork of 3 pillars.
Yes.
Omwanafunzi ngo behave discipline behave. Abalimu bale kebarua, abayibolingo support well the programs. And I'm calling all the parents wherever they are. If you have a student, for example, in Menyenya High School, support the programs wholeheartedly.
Yes.
So that nalje skuru yokwane kabuya. Na bengo mochi. Anyaro musika gwaka echuanga yayo waka kabisa. No yondinale muina otalikon. You know they are not the same. So it is about leadership and the managers who are there. I equally want to thank the board for the program.
Egatiye mistakes ichiri kwa vire gukora. Umete gukorora. Ekero kurigereria nkororore nga enchiranere kero kendo mwalimu agochiokora gintu gite osumurai ase skuru akokore bintu gite bierera anonya abanafunzi bachaka gutama gosabarukirwa batwara chimba.
Ekero romurai motivate abantu bao. None ngombe tairi chinsiaga kuna maji oraojo rarete chinsiaga chioko kanye to ya maji. You see you can't ngombe to kamabia. But I'm very happy that Menyenya High School motivates its workers. It is workers very well. Bono ngoko ere impetus, a drive okorega singa gine njega nindo chikaine kumbe. So it helps them to focus and be able to work. Menyenya High School has done that. Even the students are motivated. Bono no mwana oregaregate akunyuranga ekerana nyolire grade digete reward yae. If we have a school that has no reward system and there is no motivation system for the teachers and the students, mind you, school ite. That's what we now going to abana baimugete baka was reference. Kalikende, it is the reward system. It is very clear. But the Menyenya is very clear. Yes.
Na buno mwalimu na boko ba motivated totebe na a principal. Lakini yatoka ngaye bweka chimbwa njiro roko nyora chire chitanya rekupeko mwalimu yoga abe atwarwa mutobu yana balimu bande kose abanafunzi kwa nero mwalimu narekera goso kiro muntu akorosa abalimu bande konyora bansire kwebeke bikundi kwa nero na batigarite bweka osika osoiga abana bako igusiko school.
No na yakere isa chire nyomba roja chako tache sugulime. You know mdagira tekova. If there is that level yokoigwana, we akere mukole tega sia sobwa mokwane liogirimo kendi jonsi yake kubwena. You realize ojenga ene simba njiri kokon. What helps people of late is the public relation you create with them. If you don't allow them to air their opinion, your general opinion every day, even these young people that you are surrounded by, these our students have ideas, let me tell you. If you don't give them time to explain or express themselves, pressure you pile, definitely it will lead to something else. So I urge the principals in our schools to let the teachers and the learners speak out.
Yes.
Let them criticize you. In fact, it's good to be criticized. But in Menyenya, I think that's where we are. We speak, we air our issues, we have a staff briefing, and then you speak out. That is what is important in our school.
Ambiamana sana mwancho murigirire turagende asio mutimo kumukekera turenere Mr. Samuel Emitieka oyoro mwalimu bwegesongo ase eskuru ya menyenya tugendere tukurigireria nchiraki omwalimu aranyare kuba kose gutwara bwa mateburubia nabo igo gwekinia ase ensemo eyo ye chiseme kirongo kuboria ugendere gusanga rikari uko nabo igonyo kubate ukuboria nabo kulika ochase nambe yo ye studio wetira ase SMS number 0726 44 7367 na boigo chinsemo cha Facebook na YouTube Getembe TV morobere nore emo asemo korende tobasaguska
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandegere twatire kumamaine twatire
eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ilikuwa tukachirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo korose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira soko raisia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi ejo boigo chire chichi brand ao ejo chire chingi ya kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo kwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentera nigwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriria gatigati bwekariguri iria bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo bwochoganya chirangi wikabunuraganie bwochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwa yenyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi aboigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara njibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyuerange neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakere simbwetera seti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.
Endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Discover your love language on our amazing channels all month long to enjoy intriguing telenovelas from all over the world daily. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Watch Filipino melodrama The Fake Life.
We really need to focus on this mission.
Get charmed with our Indian drama Soulmates and Turkish drama Lost in Love. You can also catch fresh episodes of Stepmom on Rainbow TV Plus every day at 8 p.m. Renew your subscription today and endelea kufurahia na Star Times. Buy the DTT decoder for only 1,199 shillings and top up 500 shillings to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the classic bouquet. You can also link your decoder to the Star Times on app to enjoy unlimited entertainment on the go anytime, anywhere. Star Times. Enjoy digital life.
Gusie bono na bukwegokia asogo sonja etibi ya uwanje tea Getembe Television Network wetera Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 egoki nimrulu ao ya Getembe Television Network ayene amatiao kuli miensi ya Kenya, ili ya Tanzania, Uganda, Malawi, Wikanonya Zambia egulere edekoda ya Zuku chinga kichiga chemereka je Christmas ama no guchingira ku mwaka muya iliwego kinemrulu yetu ao inyuranga nigo okonyora a channel ya Getembe wetera ase Zuku Satellite Channel number 038 Getembe Television Network ekeonga kia mwamogusi.
Christamarian Mission Hospital nigeukorera ba mentire obokoreri bwaye nakoba ubuyakigima bonomba bwate CT scan eyo yekerero ose the latest na boigo mbabwate ensema ya ICU na high dependence unity HDU asabarire banyarekire bakurigirirwa na konyora obokonye enero ni machine chikerero chibirengo bya Michael asabanyagitari bagukurigirirya asensemeiga babwate ibirengo bigoromono babwate ensemeri ya dialysis eyo yekerero ose the latest ensema ya laboratory blood bank ultrasound tibueba Christamarian nibwate ambulance asaba konyi bwa emergency uswengo
nje asamarieta yongoro sister Helen Mbaka kurase kiombe kia Franciscan Sisters of St. Joseph yondo motenere niyo monene ese nyaktari yetu ya Christamarian Mission Hospital. Ase nyaktari yetu ya Christamarian niyo toigorete merangwa asa abantu bonsi anene mono omogusio itu. Karibu ese nyaktari yetu onyoro kubweniwa nobokoreri kwebirengo awao. Karibu kero kendigions Christamarian twakwariganiri elio nyare konyoro bokonyi obu. Inyora nigotokorwa amariogo nyasauru kubweni. Mwariganigwe asokonyoro bubweni obu.
Patarire ase umuchibo songo asamatabekani amashauri ase para ekotira korwa Kisii kogenda chitangio sikimabondo asamange bakirisi ase namba 0720266999 gose 0791394904 Christamarian Mission Hospital, we treat and God heals.
Amasomo nanine obumanye nabuborairire omwana okogendera asamatuko ali busio ne aye omwibuli kwabire gukuri Yesukuru asoraire omwana anyorera obumanye nanene wichikosi chemaboko muretekero ka Technical Training Institute elio aibunduse chikosi ao igaiga ntubwate chikosi bunabono elia ya Building and Civil Engineering asetokobundisa Building Technician level 5 na level 6 Civil Engineering level 6 Building Arts and Masonry level 4 Plumbing level 4 na level 5 Carpentry and Joinery level 4 Land Survey level 5 na boigona level 6 egati chinde chinyinge kubundisa tore boigo ekosia Electrical and Electronics Engineering ase tokobundisa Electricity Installation Electrical Engineering Power Option 5 and 6 na boigona Electrical Workshop ase ekosia Agriculture and Environment Studies Agripreneurship level 5 na level 6 Horticulture level 5 na boigo na level 6 ase ekosia Applied Science Department ntubwate Science Laboratory Technician level 5 na level 6 na boigo Analytical Chemistry Technology level 6 ase ekosia Computing and Informatics Department ntubwate ekosia ICT Technician level 5 na level 6 Records and Archives Management level 5 na boigo na level 6 Getembe lab asensema ya Community and Online Working imiyeskuru yigaya keti nigotubwate a modern library eyubwate bintu byonsi ebiraga nibyogotumika ali nayo kubundisa tole ekosi ya version design ase level ya 4 na boigo neli ya 5 ase omurakiwa akwebundisa na kwenyorera ubumanye ubura mubika silibagaligia ase industry ya fashion ase tubwate chimashini chekerero inkoigelia bale boigo business studies na entrepreneurship ase chinsamu cha cosmetology nigotokwigelia beauty therapy level 4 na level 5 hairdressing level 4 na boigo na level 5 miranga ase beauty therapy nigo okwenyorera ubumanyi wekerero unabono hairdressing pedicure manicure egati ubumanyi bonde obonge boigo ntubwate kosi ya mechanical and automotive engineering ase tokobundisa automotive arts level 4 automotive engineering level 5 na level 6 asabego tokubundisa welding and fabrication level 4 ajirira muretu mwanu ainyorere obumanyi bwiga nabono nigo intake y'umutinyo gatano egenderete eskure yigani yere kilomita ya munene uskuru asomo chokeroka asamange na gugutarira website yaito wetera www.kerokatechnical.ac.ke ose na gugwaka esimu wetera search number 0726 588558 gose 0708330000 asigo ayire na kwenyolera obumanye riri wibekeri bagari rya asense yiga yo kwerwanirira
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara uzito somya bamuraba chekuya mandege uzito somya bamuraba chekuya mandege
Busana mwancho murigire nekero torigetie ubuchago kora tore nere omwalimu Samuel Emitieka mwancho murigona na tika gukomanya nigo togendete gukwanira enchira umoroke aranyare koba usenjiro umoroke aranyare gwikina na boigo ko enekia buna obosemia bulia kwena na bochasi aborokiwa bae wanyarire kubakonya asi obugimo boiga Mr. Samuel ndochenga wakwanira mangana tigo gosomi kolinga gotebio mwana ng'aikegekere kurwase bitabu ebinto nebinge abana bakurigire na muno buna tukwanira umurobero OCBC injira nere abali umwe ariganirie kegema bono etokenga kwanarire bono muno inumore secondary bono yantu what form 1 ekero aboroki wa bayaba so grade 10 muyariganire kegema
serikali nimanyete nga grade 10 yiga chikoba and ekere kwa manyire nga abageni baje mochio oja kwebanga I'm very sure one thing the government has done okubanga infrastructure whereas we are very tired some places but now on the teacher side we are yet to go to a training but you see a teacher is always a teacher
like nakimontara ikera kusigo muranyora special training
training is ongoing high school nturange goenda koswa se training you but then I want to affirm that serikali ni bangete ntuntole tayari kindi gyonzura tebi sisi ni kwa kuitika na kufanya vile mambo inahitajika lakini I want to say amangana mange ya masomo alia abana bali bakora in fact yale level yaito junior secondary are doing things we are doing now we were doing with the form ones so as much as to get training maybe ntombiribiria we go suke level ya chaigoro kidogo
aye vuno mwalimu bene aina kiwe bangete ko handola mangana ya CBC abariko wabaiga ikiagera bono mbali buna abaiga mwabere mo gusomya sabo emyaka yende
abana n'abana none kanisa ndiro ko nyara umuntu ruete gusine bidale kolie bigao pastor nabwete right kaja musabero roje mpaka mo convert that's what we do in fact even though we are like now the CBC are doing environmental conservation they are learning I'm ready for that they are doing arts drama is there I'm ready for that they are doing issues the solutions science we are ready for that so these are things very common and the teachers are ever ready to handle the learners the way they come ndiro ko nyoro mwana go je style ya na na boko and style ya yu bako mo ikire mo convert amanye why this person at this school
umwalimu ingana niraiga ngagirete ngana bote mainti unorai bwate lakini ntubwate secret go se siria nene anene asamangana morality yo mwalimu ikiagera bono koranga amangana yaiga a relationship siko chose abanafunzi nonyana ase abarimu abanyene abiri gako bumuchando monene alike umwalimu utagete bono ko so ase career yiga na ndabe successful usiri kioramwa
na tieka gotebanga umwalimu nare regulated conduct ya TSC this code ngotoka idiere na kitokora mangana ye birasi na bana ngakitoko bando. We are regulated by the ministry, we are regulated by the Children Act. These are acts chikoto guide na kitoko ando abana. Ndoliko jagwa ando mwana bosaigo tutamanyiti the code. We know the code. Ena tebanga mbale baruba sirete no bando mbana kobora. Morality njana ko, but even out here we've had immoral issues with many other sectors. So it is not only in the teaching sector that we have this challenge.
Lakini with teachers, so mete into chikava okonyoranga ekobera unique at every level yo mwana gukina baka interact no mwalimu. Ona igano kwanyora makosa akobera. Yes.
I'm not trying to defend the teachers.
Yes.
I'm only saying a level ya morality yako bwata no muntu.
Yes.
An individual.
Yes.
If an individual teacher decided to go against the code, consequences in zero. Principal ananti tote banga choices did you make na chiko kubwati. So if you decide as a teacher, and I want to advise the young teachers, not even the young only, even the old, anya guamanyirenga no bwate mechande you akino atiko bwali, because you are handling a very innocent Kenyan. Utagete nera manye ngakiako suko bwai. To wanja uzariri mwana bo mondo bogima akiara ngwa somete kidogo. Nandiri ndonye go tagete go korobo chafu vuno buti ambo ko chafu. Yendo bekero mongino go somo ako uniform kosumbura bana bake. Bekero uniform.
Na Obaigwa omwalimu kugania koba a winning teacher. Like koba unique kurwasa bande.
Yes.
Yes.
If you want unique to be unique, as I said, do things in a unique way. Do small things in a unique way. You don't need to do great things. Just do small things in a unique way. Amangana even the video became solve them just sad. For example, njena jagete with koina pads to schools. I've done across the country again. That's a humanitarian thing. I started small, and we were doing initially with a foundation called Gold of Heart Foundation. We were giving pads. We look for people. They donate. We distribute. We moved. I know we've really moved. We are now doing a program in schools. There is some group in Nairobi called lunch in schools.
Yes.
We want to do that in Nyamira. I had seen Nyamira governor that's good. So do small things in big way. And again, to be unique, respect your seniors. It helps. If I could not have respected my principal and the teachers in my school,
yes.
So it is important to work closely with the people who you know they are above you. Number 3, tegerera ama weida ya bantu bonse.
Yes.
Bategerere bayu. Gendo kende. Work as a team. No jumanye gendo geta ebweka. Sanga na abandi bakimanye. And then gendo kende kyo mwalinda tebe to be a unique teacher. Put a smile in your face.
Kahomo tusasoge terioka.
Yakona go omwamati. Challenges are there. Our parents face challenges, and they are there. You see, you can't put me down because of challenges. They are there, and I can't do anything about them, but to get a solution. So I should not be so grooming challenges. They are there, and they are there to stay. And then do your best. The rightful education, and of course, we want you to teach SDGs in classes, where they know how to solve problems facing our country, Africa, and the continent, and the world at large. Yes.
Ngira kwanera se future ye profession yega yo bwalimu kusekero kurikiria obwalimu ase miaka emekere bosio.
The future of teaching is bright. That one I can tell you, because the government is soon realizing that a teacher is an important and an integral member in our community. Every community you go, you'll find a teacher. You like it or not. In fact, in Ugusi, mwalimu alikirangi
kero emoji.
So it is good that if a teacher gives the right information, then that community will be moving up. I want to say this. If the government will listen to the teachers and at least give them a better, we are not requesting that pay as well, because you can't. But I think in fact, one thing is, let the government give the teachers what is their due, so that they can go and afford ya mabere, ko afford ebintu bindi. Abantu bakubwa sababu mushahara no mokoro. And again, into tochanga chikanisa, into kongo mwalimu tomechi weza chielioko, and so forth. Into those bana. In fact, we are sponsoring. Like now I went to some children home, and I'm proudly saying we've sponsored children from the meager salary we have. So we are blessed generation, and the future is bright for the professionals. Keep working, put a smile in your face. Yes.
Mbia mono sana Mr. Mitieka korwa asiskuru uyamenyenya nande ichinga kichinde na futura chiko sanga kolinde onyoko bwate babere batotoiga uranyare ko basogeria irabebia. Yes.
Ene rio to mama. Well, I want to appreciate my fans. Also ngakira chikura ko the best teacher in East Africa, and I'm very humbled to say Menyenya was among the people who supported me. Thank you, Bwana Chief Principal Mr. Marube. You are a man with a clean heart. Continue working for the Kenyans. God will bless you. Asante sana my department. I can't forget to mention my department members. Akina Tianja Akire, Madam Edina, Mr. Robert, Mr. Muchoge, Madam Margaret, Mr. Akama, Redemsa, Sheba, Damaris, and the youngest Harmony and Josephat.
Yes.
You people are very good. And of course, I want to applaud all the teachers in Menyenya School for the work you are doing. I want to appreciate Dennis Makori. Dennis Makori is a young man. We are there to support you, young man, because we believe leadership comes from God. So I want to appreciate the DOS, Mr. Morema, and your team, and everybody in Menyenya High School, actually, including the subordinate staff, the librarian Benta. All these people are very important.
Yes.
They're very good. Despite the challenges we face, we'll make Menyenya a great school this year. Our mean, and you remember the target, let's work for it to achieve the highness that we looked for. Thank you very much.
Mbia mwana sana mwancho murigere ndoche Evans Ogero agoteba na Getembe TV chimanyetinga ngiri ukoki atagete kurika kurinde mbia mwana mumanyi onyanchonori na ziporoye na pilipili ho agoteba kurwa chinse motiati bani na obonsi bali banyare kurika amauko wochaiga kusanga na into asomurubiri gavutwani ya Getembe na vairaneri mbia mwana mwancho murigere wika na inderi tukoriankyo ase murubiri ga obwetwani njengoro kwa Matildah Obaigwa kirona rengenere Mr. Samuel Mitieka tukurigereria amangana ayechisem ritugerigaria Jumanne kurinde bono anigonko ko tiga ase emiroveri yende kubwatia ime ya Getembe TV cross studio akabire nere Mike bakubwatira na Rogers kwaneke kwanyore chibicha neriogi asenjira enyekerano kurenda sobono twara umugasomia naboigo oburigereria obia.
Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Etwani yabugire ayo mworo karugetanda. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Ayo mworo karugetanda bana mbale njara. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege. Uzito somya bamura baje kuya mandege.
Eduka yobomo ya Uhuru Superstores Limited nero eduka cholide ili kubwatuka chirangi cha Crown Paints eyuere company nambe yemo eyo karose chirangi mense yiga ya Kenya. Crown Paints nigo emanyira sokoro isia ebintu biria bikomanya seka ngo kwanira chirangi echo boigo chire chichi brand ao echo chire chingia kirage chirangi chiga nigo chire chibirengo ao punabono mbabwate chirangi cyo gwakwa imeye nyumba iziko ye nyumba chire chikomentra nibwa amavuta yani oil na boigo chiria chia mache inyuranga chirangi chiga nigo chire kurwase chire chiri guririke iriria gatigati wekari guri iria bantabati boigo imeya Uhuru Superstores nero eduka yuka iyo bwate emixer iyo wochoganya chirangi wikabunuragani wochoganire erangiriga aseduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores na bokwege namuna ekale aho watagete nigo kwayanyora bwikirano tutarire rero eriwe nyorere abamanyi na boigo enekenga enyumba yao use asomanyete use chire chibiasara nchibwa tokorelekana okuya na ayonsi nigo araikirane ekero utumikite chirangi cha Crown Paints eduke yiga ya Uhuru Superstores yego toka se enyumba ya Uhuru Complex imeyumucho yigo musongo eyueranga neduka ya Safaricom mwigo ngotuka bari ase nyumba ya JM Towers eyuere angene bengi ya Credit Bank asamange bakire simbwe traseti namba chabo 0111161500 Uhuru Superstores, the people's choice, guaranteed lowest prices. Karibu nyumbani.